A lot of people ask me, why Stevens? My personal opinion is we're not the biggest, but we're the absolute best. We focus on quality, we have technician camaraderie, we have, honestly, the best in the industry. These guys are top-notch. They go above and beyond every day for the customer. They go above and beyond every day for Steven. I'm Brent Wiggins, Director of Maintenance for AOG at Stevens. When our technicians are dispatched, we give them the most up-to-minute information regarding the aircraft and the squawk. Then we make the decision on who we're going to send relative to the closest base location for the aircraft, just to save money and time for the customer and to get them back up and running as quickly as possible. Our standard response time at Stevens is 1 hour. We focus solely on the 1 hour in order to make sure that logistically the aircraft is put back in service at the correct time it should be. Our guys are well trained. They use checklists and they can handle anything from scheduled to unscheduled maintenance on the road. And let me tell you what makes AOG a little bit different. These guys are ready to go at a moment's notice to anywhere in the world and willing to work on the aircraft day or night, no matter the circumstances, rain, sleet, snow, shine. They're ready to do it for the customer.